So I cut down my nails, and we need Jesus, okay? Look. She just needs a fill, okay? She's looking real ratty and all that. So what I do in between new sets is I use the Vitagel Recovery. This is a very viscous and thick gel, just a gel polish. And what I do is I kind of fill the nail with it, and I'll show you guys as I do this. So we're just going to do a little tutorial. So I have my Sensationail lamp. I have my Recovery Vitagel. I'm actually going to use a regular nail polish. Ooh, look at that sexiness. This is Walker Sauce by NailNation 3000. She's reopening her site soon, and then I'll top that off once it's fully dried with my no wipe top coat. But I will show you guys what it looks like after I put the Vitagel on. So this Vitagel is actually from Gelish brand. It's a very thick, I think I have it in my Amazon store. And it's actually like a very milky and thick. I don't know if you guys can see how thick and milky it is. And I usually just start off at the base, like right here, let it kind of melt in, and then build it up here. And then I set it for a minute under the lamp, and then I add another layer, and then bring it to the rest of the nail to add strength, and then leave it on for another minute under the lamp to cure it. And then I kind of play it by ear from then. Okay, so now I have put in one coat on these last 3 fingers, and as you can see, it doesn't look that clean, but as you can see from the side of this nail, it's enough to make it look like it's filled. And then I'll add a second coat to cover up the rest of the nail. I definitely do like to clean up around the cuticles, because this does kind of bleed out to the sides. It kind of does set a little bit, so I usually touch up one more time, and then I add the second or third coat. I'll add it to the ends here so that it looks even, and I'll show you guys how that looks. It's so cool, but you know, it's good for temporary. Okay, my loves, so this is pretty much what the nails look like after I have applied a couple of coats of the Vitagel. You see that it looks kind of like a semi-fill, and I like doing this just to save face and have a new fresh set. I would have to touch up this one, but nonetheless I can put nail polish on top and it'll look like a fresh new set, even though you can still see that they clearly need a fill. But they don't look as bad as they, they do not look as bad as they did before, especially that pinky. So yes, I personally love the Vitagel. It actually has nutrients, so you can use this on your bare nail, and it helps strengthen and just gives that, you know, thickness and viscosity. But I like personally using it. I'm going to apply my NailNation 3000 Walker Sauce. This is the collection that she did for one of the premieres. I don't know, I want to say it was like 7th season. I don't know what season we're on The Walking Dead, but look at how gorgeous this is. It's like a deep burgundy reddy color with purple flecks. Look at that hollow sexiness. So yeah, I'm gonna use that. These are very quick drying, so these are actually one of the only polishes I use on my nails. It's regular polish, and then once that's fully dry, I'm gonna set it with the Elite 99 no wipe top coat, and yeah, we'll see the finished look. So my nails are still wet, but I used the NailNation 3000 Walker Sauce, and this is what my nails are looking like right now. Just waiting for them to dry. It takes a while, so I haven't done my other hand. But look how beautiful this is. And this is without a top coat. This is how it looks. It's quite beautiful. My nails look freshly done. Freshly manicured. And you wouldn't tell none the wiser at this point that I needed a fill. Ta-da! It's a long process for me, unless I use like gel polish, but because I'm using regular polish, it is, I gotta wait till it dries. This is why. But it's so pretty. Oh, I'm hollow gasoline over here. And although this polish is super quick drying, because I layered, this is I think 3 thin coats because I wanted like even coverage. Because this is 3 thinner coats, I'm definitely waiting for those bottom 2 coats to dry before I put in the top coat. So I need this to be like rock hard before I even put in the Elite 99 no wipe top coat, because otherwise the nails will kind of curdle. They'll do like this curdling thing where they'll wrinkle, and that's how you know your polish underneath was not cured or was wet still. But look how beautiful this is. Like, this is gorgeous. And it's like a deep maroon with purple, with like a purple base in the sun, and it looks amazing. Okay, so I finally put the gel no wipe top coat, and then I let it cure for the whole minute. It only takes like 60 seconds for the Elite 99 no wipe top coat. I'll leave all the stuff I used linked. I'm actually going to upload this on YouTube, and so if you guys are watching this on YouTube, hi, welcome to my weird ass Snapchat tutorial. Just thought I'd upload it. So yeah, this is it. It's very pretty, very set, very thick. My nails feel reinforced, and that's it. That's that. I'm actually going to show it without flash so you guys can see what the color actually looks like just in regular lighting. So this is actually the nail polish. It's like a burgundy brown. It looks kind of dull, but it is what it is. In regular light, of course, I'm gonna try to add a filter where it cools off the lighting a little bit so you can see it better. But in the sunlight and in natural light, it looks amazeballs. And of course, I'm flash. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how I do my nails in between sets and or fills. But for the most part, when I do this step is because I'm planning on removing these in a week or two and then starting fresh. So stay tuned for the new nails.